Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself Jeprakash, lead mentor of EC branch at IMS Gate Academy, Bangalore. In this particular session, I am going to discuss the details regarding the lowest gate cutoff scores for doing the M.Tech in IITs. This particular session is going to helpful for all the branch students who are from EC, electrical, instrumentation, computer science, mechanical and civil students as well, right? So all of you, whoever visiting our YouTube channel very first time, all of you kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting instant notifications, and all of you kindly like and share this video link with all of your friends so that they also will get benefited from this particular session. Okay, so before going to start the session, all of you just give a try. All of you can answer to this simple question in the comment section, right? So whoever know already the total number of IITs, okay, whoever having some idea, at least all of you give a try. And whoever know, you can mention yes and you can mention the total number. Whoever don't know, at least you can give a try in the comment section, right? So IITs, Indian Institute of Technology, these are our top institutes of India, right? So total we are having 23 IITs, among which the 7 IITs are the old one, right? We are having IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati. These are the old IITs we are having. Total 7 IITs are there. And then recent or new IITs we are having 16, right? You can see all the 16 IITs names here, right? So all these together we are having 23 IITs we are having, right? So generally in order to get the M.Tech admission in the old IITs, like say for example, if you see any of these IITs, if you want to get the M.Tech admission, so definitely you should get the very high gate score. Okay, so generally in any of the IITs, okay, so initially with the help of COAP processing, counseling process, there will be number of rounds are there. So initial rounds, if you want to get the M.Tech admission there in any of the IITs, definitely you should have the very high gate score. But somehow or other, if you are like, even if you are having low gate score, still you are having the chances, in order to get the M.Tech admission in any of the even old IITs as well as even in new IITs as well, right? So for that, like how it is possible with the help of low gate score, because say for example, whoever got the M.Tech admission earlier, because of like if the students are getting the PSU job offer, or if they want to move to some other institute, right, for doing the M.Tech, because of that, whatever the, even though they got the seat earlier, because somehow or other later, like after the all the rounds over, right, if some seats are left, okay, so in the IITs they will be conducting the spot admission, right? So in the spot admission, right, in the spot admission round, even like the students are having low gate score, still they are having the chances, because on that particular day and based on the merit, right, how many candidates are appearing on the spot round, and based on the order of merit, you may be getting the chance. Okay, so this particular session you are going to get with respect to old IITs, some of the IITs I am covering, and similarly with respect to new IITs, some of the IITs I am covering in this particular session, so that you are getting the complete information, like even with the help of, suppose whatever the gate score you are getting, even like with the help of whatever the details I am covering here regarding few old IITs and few new IITs. So if you are having gate score around that, okay, so accordingly you are getting the idea that even though your gate score is less, but with the help of whatever the information I am showing here, right, you can correlate and you can apply, especially for the spot rounds. Okay, so in that manner, even though you're having less gate score, but still you're having the high chances to get the M.Tech in IITs, because most of you might be dreamed that you want to do the masters in IIT, right? Okay, so now first I am going to cover with respect to IIT Madras the lowest gate cutoff scores for this academic year 2024 and 2025, right? So whatever the gate scores here I am showing, right, in IIT Madras, so whatever the gate scores here I have mentioned the cutoff scores with respect to the M.Tech admission without monthly stipend, right? So there are two category of seats, with monthly stipend category and without monthly stipend category, right? These cutoff scores I have mentioned without for the students who got the M.Tech admission for the category without monthly stipend category, right? So you can observe here regarding mechanical engineering, gate cutoff score is 604. For aerospace engineering, 577, electrical engineering, 573, civil, 532, applied mechanics and biomedical engineering, 419. Okay, this is with respect to IIT Madras. Then coming to IIT Bombay, these cutoff scores for 2022-2023 academic year. So for educational technology, 704, CSC 701, geoinformatics and natural resource engineering 683, control and computing 683. So for the time being, I'm mentioning with respect to general category. For other categories, you can see from the tabular form. Okay, right. Next, bioscience and bioengineering 675, systems and control engineering 665, water resource engineering civil department 622, energy science and engineering 621, manufacturing engineering 618. Then environment science and engineering 611, then technology and development 586, then aerodynamics 564, corrosion science and engineering 465. So here if you observe, like in every IIT you will be having core discipline and you will be having interdiscipline also, right? So in the interdiscipline, when compared to the core discipline, even if you are having less gate score, you can, if you want IIT tagline, right? So then you can prefer interdisciplinary branch. So before applying for that particular branch or specialization, you can go through the eligibility criteria with respect to your B.Tech like branch, everything eligibility criteria. If you met, then definitely you can apply for the interdisciplinary branch, right? Next, coming to the IIT Delhi. So these are the cutoff scores with respect to 23 and 24 academic year. So water resource engineering 600, mechanical engineering 600, biomolecular and bioprocess engineering 550, control and automation 550, material science and engineering 350. You can see here, if you are getting around 600 gate cutoff score for civil engineering and mechanical engineering, you are getting the chance. Especially what are the cutoff scores here we are mentioning with respect to spot round. Okay, right. So biomolecular and bioprocessing, control and automation around 550, even material science engineering 350 gate score. Then coming to IIT Kharagpur, the cutoff scores with respect to the academic year 23 and 24. So for CSC 694, then industrial engineering and management 683, bioscience and biotechnology 596, manufacturing science and engineering 550. Then RF and micro engineering 546, advanced technology development center 543, energy science and engineering 518, hydraulic and water resource engineering 513. Then aerospace engineering 509, power and energy systems 447, material science and engineering 432. Now actually from this particular information you are getting the idea, even though you are having low gate score or less gate score, but still where you are having the chances, right? So accordingly you people can apply for the spot admission. Okay, so spot admission is like a golden opportunity, even though if you're having less gate score, but on that particular day, whoever on the basis of order of merit, based on the number of seats available with respect to the corresponding specialization, etc., you may be getting the chance. Okay, and to which IITs you can apply, accordingly you are getting the glimpse from this particular video, right? So up to now we have covered regarding few old IITs. Okay, now we are going to discuss the details regarding the few new IITs. Okay, so ISM Dhanbad is the new IIT. So it is renamed as IIT Dhanbad. So regarding the lowest gate cutoff scores for the academic year 22 and 23. So for CSC 664, for data analytics 635, industrial engineering and management 573, electrical engineering 550, mechanical engineering 537, ECE 529, right? And then environment science and engineering 496, civil engineering 495, metallurgical engineering 314. Now you can see, like here, in order to get the CSC branch related, you should have around 650 plus or 664 for CSC, 635 for data analytics, right? Industrial, you can see around 573, whereas for electrical 550, and mechanical 537, EC 529. So in this manner, you can observe whatever the gate score you are having, right? So if you are having around this particular gate score with respect to your branch, then accordingly you can apply for the spot round. Okay, don't miss that particular opportunity. Okay, right. Next, coming to the other branches, you can see here even below 500, right? So here for metallurgical engineering, even 314. Next, IIT Ropar, lowest gate cutoff scores for the academic year 22 and 23. So for CSE 675, biomedical 534, water resource and environment 515, communication signal processing 512, manufacturing engineering 445. Okay. Next, IIT Bhubaneswar. IIT Bhubaneswar gate cutoff scores for the academic year 23 and 24. Electrical engineering 450, geotechnical 400, mechanical 350, metallurgical 298. You can see here, even if you are getting below 500, still you are getting the opportunity in the IITs, right? So in this manner, whoever want to get the tagline IIT in your academic, in your career, so definitely don't miss this golden opportunity, right? So even though you are having less gate score, so just cross check whatever the IIT gate cutoff scores as per the earlier academic years, whatever we are providing here in this particular session. So just consider this the reference, and accordingly when you are getting the chance, like regarding spot counseling, generally on the corresponding respective IIT website, they will be informing on which particular day the corresponding spot counseling will be there. So accordingly you can go through the guidelines and you can participate, and if you are lucky on that particular day based on the order of merit and according to the number of vacancies available in that particular specialization, okay, you may get the chance. Okay, right? Fine. Next, IIT Palakkad. IIT Palakkad lowest gate cutoff scores for the academic year 23 and 24. Right. So coming to the data science, for CS branch 592 and for electrical 592. Okay, computing and mathematics CS branch 581, ME 529. Similarly, system on chip design, computer science 540, instrumentation 509, electrical 367. Here, what are the branches here you're having? Like for these branches, okay, the respective branch students and even other branch students also can apply. So accordingly, I have provided the corresponding gate cutoff scores, whoever got the chance in the spot round. Okay. Next, coming to the geotechnical engineering 422, manufacturing and material science engineering 387, power electronics and power system 373. Okay. So here you can observe, like if you are getting around almost closer to 600, you are getting the chance in data science and computing. If you are getting around 540, okay, system on chip design you are getting. Similarly, even if you are having like below 500, you can see here around 422 geotechnical engineering, 387, 373 for manufacturing and material science engineering, and then power electronics, power system. So here, like you are getting the glimpse, right? So whatever the cutoff scores here we have mentioned based on the spot round. Okay, on the spot round admission, whoever got the chance at last in order to get that particular, like whatever the available seats are there. So in that, whoever got the particular specialization at last, accordingly we have mentioned. So this will give a great, inspiration for the students, especially whoever got the gate score very less. Okay, so here so far we have covered in this particular session with respect to old IITs and with respect to new IITs. Some of the IITs we have covered, so that with the help of this particular information, you can, like when you are going for spot round admission, so you are getting the visibility that to which particular IIT I can apply for the spot round, I can go and participate in the spot round, right? So I hope all of you got benefited from this particular session, because most of the students are having one conception that in order to do the masters in IITs, definitely we should have the very high score. Yeah, definitely that is true. But even that is true, like when you want to get, especially in the starting rounds, in the COAP counseling starts, there will be number of rounds will be there. So in the initial rounds, in order to get, if you want to get M.Tech seat in any of the IITs, definitely you should get the very high gate score. But somehow or other, if you are getting very less score, okay, whatever the data we have provided here, you just check around which gate score you are having with respect to which IIT, etc. Then like even like you can just see with respect to old IITs and with respect to new IITs, you are getting the margin, right? Even if you are getting below 600 or around 500 gate score with respect to the branch, you can observe even with respect to branch you are having around gate score around 400, still you are having the chances, right? So in this manner, like whatever the spot round admission is there, especially whoever written the gate exam like multiple years, but still even though you have put hard work, but somehow or other you are unable to get more marks, okay, then in that case you might be having less gate score. So instead of wasting the time for one more year, better you can join with whatever the less gate score you're having, wherever possibilities are there, wherever opportunities you're having with the help of less gate score in the any of the IITs, grab the opportunity by participating in the spot round, okay. And before going for participating in the spot round, just make sure in the official website whatever the eligibility criteria and other rules and regulations they might have mentioned, so just cross check, and if everything is fulfilled from your side, then you can go and participate in the spot round, then you may get the chance in the any of the IIT for doing your M.Tech, right? Okay, so this is our Telegram channel. Already the link is provided in the description of this particular video, right? So all of you kindly join our Telegram channel, especially whoever not yet joined till now, okay? So all these benefits you are getting for free of cost. It is free for everyone, right? So whenever we are conducting any live sessions, whatever the PDF, whatever the lecture notes we are writing on the digital board, that particular lecture notes we are sharing in the PDF form, right, in this Telegram group right after the session over. And like you will be getting all the important updates whenever we are conducting any seminar or webinar. You will be getting all the government job notifications as well in this Telegram channel, and on daily basis you will be getting one quiz question so that you people can actively participate and you can check your knowledge, right? All these benefits you are getting for free of cost. All of you kindly join our Telegram channel, whoever not yet joined till now, okay. Then and whoever want to get very good score in the upcoming years like gate 25 or gate 2026, right, whoever want to learn thoroughly right from the basics onwards, right, so here at our IMS Gate Academy we are having the live online program for whoever targeting for gate 25 or 26, right, all these features you are getting. So whoever interested to enroll for the any of these two programs for gate 25 or gate 26, so all of you can kindly contact to any of these two numbers. Our counselors will discuss in detail about our live online program, okay, right. And one more important update, whoever like already having the basics very much strong, okay, and whoever want to do the self preparation by their own, whoever doing, so since you're having the knowledge, okay, if you want to get very good rank in the gate exam, the first like after you're having the basics strong and after you're having command over the practice, now like you should have the confidence in each and every subject. How you can get the confidence? By practicing more and more questions, right, by attempting good number of quality tests, okay. So here at our IMS Gate Academy we are providing test series plus program. You are getting 130 plus online tests and 33 years gate PYQ booklets with respect to technical subject and with respect to maths and general aptitude, all the branches, 6 branches included we are having, okay. And then if you are getting any doubt after you are attempting any of the test or from our gate PYQ booklets, if you are having any doubt, you can post in the doubt solving portal. Our faculties will provide the solution in 1 or 2 days, okay. And you will be getting online revision and score booster and post gate guidance, and not the least, you will be getting the PSU and mock interviews as well, right. So all these benefits you are getting for if you are enrolling for gate 25 test series plus program, okay. So the cost is just 3,299, okay, right. Whoever interested as per your respective branch, accordingly you can enroll. So you can see the difference between test series program and test series plus, right. So in the test series program, whatever the features we are providing, along with that in test series plus we are providing the gate PYQ booklet. Say for example if you are from EC, so regarding EC, all the technical subjects questions, last 33 years gate questions you are getting, and then maths and general aptitude. Maths and general aptitude, you are like from all the 6 branches, EC, electrical, instrumentation, mechanical, civil, computer science, from all the 6 branches, last 34 years, like gate PYQs regarding maths and general aptitude, all the questions and solutions you are having. And the most very good feature of our gate question bank is you are getting all the important points wherever required we have provided in our solutions, and wherever required we have provided alternate solution as well. And in fact, for some of the questions we have provided the video solution as well. So regarding video solution, you will be finding the QR code in the respective, like in some of the solutions in our gate question booklet. So you just scan the QR code from your mobile, you will be getting the video will be played regarding that solution part, right? So all these benefits you are getting, and as I mentioned earlier, you are getting the mock interview as well with the help of Test Series Plus program. Definitely whoever having good command like regarding the concepts wise, and whoever done earlier preparation, so like whoever targeting this gate 2025 exam, right? So definitely I am recommending you people, you can enroll for the Test Series Plus program, because the more you practice, the more with the help of each and every test, definitely you are getting to know what are your strengths and in which areas you need to improve, etc. You are coming to know. And definitely whichever areas or concepts you are very much strong, definitely those are your assets, right? And in whichever areas or concepts you are facing little bit challenge, definitely test after test you can like you can update and you are improving a lot, right? So in this manner, definitely before you are writing the gate exam, you are getting complete confidence. Definitely this confidence will play a vital role in your coming gate exam, right? Okay. So with this, I am concluding for this today's session. So in this particular session, we have discussed regarding the lowest gate cutoff scores for doing the M.Tech in any of the IITs, like old IITs or new IITs, old IITs or new IITs as well, right? So all of you kindly share this valuable information. All of you kindly like and share this video link with all of your friends, so that whoever like written multiple times but still they have got very less score only, okay, even though they might be aspiring to get into IITs for doing the M.Tech, but somehow like if they are worrying so much, at least you people can share this valuable information. You can share this video link with them. At least if they are having the gate score, like by whatever the data we have shown here for few IITs, definitely those students can cross check. Definitely if you are like with whatever the gate score you are having, if it is matching or if you are somewhere near to whatever the gate score we have mentioned with the respect to IITs, if you are in that particular zone, definitely you can go for spot round counseling. Definitely you are getting the golden opportunity. You can do the M.Tech in IITs, right? With this, I am concluding for today's session. We'll meet you all in one of the upcoming session. Thank you everyone.